Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Goods, your go-to spot for the latest tech tools and smart solutions. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that like if you're ready to work smarter, not harder. Today we're talking about a game-changing no-code AI platform called AgenticFlow. And if you're an entrepreneur, a marketer, or running a small business, you're going to want to see what this can do. Let's dive right in. AgenticFlow is a powerful no-code platform that lets you build smart AI agents to handle your sales, marketing, and creative tasks around the clock. Instead of struggling to juggle launch plans, customer support, and marketing all by yourself, AgenticFlow helps you automate the entire process, so you can focus on scaling your business, not just surviving. It integrates seamlessly with Facebook, Gmail, Google Sheets, GPT-4, and more, allowing you to connect all your essential tools without writing a single line of code. With AgenticFlow, you can easily launch AI agents for customer support, sales, engagement, and lead management, all from a simple, user-friendly dashboard. Customize workflows using a drag-and-drop interface, modify templates to match your needs, and automate everything from email campaigns to social media posts. No coding, no hiring extra staff, just fast, efficient results powered by smart AI. But that's not all. AgenticFlow also lets you create professional content fast. You can design graphics, edit videos, write copy, and even experiment with voiceovers and captions using AI models built for text, images, and audio. Plus, with built-in analytics, you can monitor your AI agents, track performance, and fine-tune your workflows to keep growing smarter every day. If you're ready to launch, market, and scale your business without the headaches, AgenticFlow has you covered. Get lifetime access today by the link is in the description. Thanks for watching this review on Tech Goods.